wonderful people on stage. Sanjot, where's the beautiful pile of
Actually, I have a question to Chef Kapoor. And I really want to know, everything that you do and who you are, it really inspires me. And what inspires you to, just work relentlessly, I would say?
Actually, I don't think that I work. I only do things. I only say yes to things that I enjoy, and that's been the case forever. That's been the case forever. There's never a time that I had to do something. So as long as you find things that you want to do, then there's no pressure. So it's not about actually we complicate life too much. We think कि कुछ किसी की inspiration होनी चाहिए, कोई ऐसे दिखना चाहिए, कहीं से सूरज निकलना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं. Live life in a simple way. It's not very complicated. Enjoy most of the things. Don't overthink and do the right thing. Values are very. अच्छे अगर आप इंसान बन जाओगे ना, तो काम वाम तो अपने आप होता रहता है.
I thought when I asked you inspiration, you would say Arjuna.
No, trouble. So, okay.
I just love, the chemistry they have and how they're together, and it's really inspiring.
Yeah. So, उसके अंदर अच्छा इंसान बोला मैंने ना,
हाँ.
तो अच्छा इंसान बनने की सीख लेता हूँ.
Very good.
Which I am.
Also, does anybody know he's also a great drummer?
Yes.
Musician, drummer, I don't know what else he does.
कुछ नहीं कर रहा बस एक एक्चुअली अभी कल क्लास मिस हो गई शुरू कर दी तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ गिटार सीखूंगा वो नहीं सीखा सो आई हैड पिछले महीने सुबह सुबह एक गिटार गिफ्ट में आ गया नोट देखा तो बम्मन ईरानी जी ने वो गिटार भेजा सो वी हैड गिवन आवर गिटार टू हिम ड्यूरिंग कोविड कुछ एक था हमारा वी डूइंग सम फंड रेजिंग एंड ही सेड मेरा गिटार टूट गया सो मैं कहा मैं भेज रहा हूँ सो आई हैड one with me. So he sent a new one last month, so I have to now start to learn.
Do you sing also?
What is it?
Yes.
Yeah, so actually, no, we have a band. We have a full-fledged band. And we do shows. Last we did was with Shankar Mahadevan. That was in Nagpur.
Why did you get it?
Actually, it was a fundraiser. ये अगली बार के लिए कमिटमेंट ले रहा हूँ. It was so we raised about 3.5 crores that evening in Nagpur. Yeah, so that was for Akshay Patra. So I do this regularly. So we did a show with Shankar. We are doing one more with Shankar and Hariharan very soon.
Fabulous. All the world is like they say, like the world is just a cocoon and just make it whatever. It's your oyster. Just do whatever you want. And I think this is very inspiring for all of us, especially related to food and ones like this non-stop. I think that's what life is also all about.
अच्छा ये थोड़ा सा मैं एक वो चीज़ कर देता हूँ because सबने ये hot kitchen, cold kitchen ये वो थोड़ा सा because chef साथ में है तो I'm sure कि is so chef is a great chef we all know but from his heart he's not a patisserie guy he's a baker. Is that correct, chef? He's a baker. So there are departments जो होते हैं, so उसमें bakery होता है, patisserie होता है, both are different. So baking is, and I remember many years ago, the way Ranveer Barar was explaining, he says, sir, night shift में हम लोग होते थे, तो Sango, he's not Rohit, he's Sango. He says, sir, Sango के हाथ में ना sir वो जो डो है ना वो ऐसे फ्लो करता था सर इट्स म्यूजिकल टू इट वाज अ ट्रीट टू वॉच हिम सो आई हैव बीन लकी दैट आई हैव बीन इन किचन विद हिम इन दिस होटल्स किचन विद हिम सो आई हैव बीन लकी टू सी हिम आई मस्ट टेल यू ये मैं हॉल आज बड़े दिनों बाद देख रहा हूँ करीब ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू 2 years द होल एरिया दिस whole place was converted into a dessert place. What he did for my daughter's wedding, I can't even tell you. मतलब मीठे मीठे 4 हॉल तो बताया मीठे के थे. No, yeah, this was one. Yeah, this room. So it's there. Yeah. So जब मुझे पता चला कि Salsette में है, मैंने oh I know. That's his sweet.
I think that is one point, you know, I think a good chef, he is a good person also. It's just automatic. You know, especially like during this whole setup when I was talking like to Chef Rohan, I was like, Chef, please speak with me first thing in the morning because my day goes so well. He speaks so beautifully and he's really kind and sweet. Baking is brilliant.
Thank you, thank you.
Baking is brilliant. Does anybody want to ask any questions? Okay, we have been to my
I have a question for Chef Sanjeev. What was your inspiration for Sham Savera, Chef?
Okay, what was the inspiration for Sham Savera? Actually, that was the time. It was not. I did not think it for TV. क्योंकि वो last minute shoot किया था हमने. It was not planned. There was nothing that was there. I just was called. I had just reached the hotel. I was like him. I was executive chef of a hotel, large hotel. And I get a call from our producer director there, who's a big filmmaker now, Hansal Mehta. He wanted me to film because somebody who was to film had not turned up. And so I reached there. So मैंने ingredients देखे, and because there was no plan what to shoot. उसी वक्त उससे कुछ time पहले we were planning. There used to be a magazine, the only food magazine back then, Cuisine करके एक magazine होती थी. And I had returned from New Zealand. I had just returned from New Zealand. So I was working on plated Indian food. So क्या मतलब to find white plates was difficult. सब मतलब printed वाली होती थी. Border ऐसे होता था. So it was a big challenge to do that. So I had, और उस समय they wanted to do Independence Day special. So it was Independence Day special, plated dish. So I did palak paneer into a kofta, into a makhni gravy. So it was a plated thing, which they had done it with many chefs all across India. That was the center spread then. तो मेरे दिमाग में वैसे ही था कि अभी कुछ तो टीवी के लिए करना है. So I just created that. So that is the background story of Sham Savera, first dish for TV.
Legendary Sham Savera. Big hand for him, please. The mic over there, please. Let me have your name, please, before you ask any questions.
Hello, my name is Asmita Bharti. I'm a visual effects producer as well as a blogger. So happy to be here. First of all, congratulations, everyone. I have one question for everyone on the stage. Which is your favorite dessert, if you can share?
No, I love sweet. Oh, I love sweet. You know that. अभी इन्होंने मुझे बात की, मुझे दे दी, कहते सर इसमें ये जो मीठा नहीं है, मैं फिर क्या बात करूँ? There is no, yeah. So मेरा favorite ना बहुत मतलब बेकार क्वेश्चन होता है favorite पूछना. जब आपको सब कुछ अच्छा रेवड़ी भी अच्छी लगती है, रसमलाई भी अच्छी लगती है, तिरामिसू भी अच्छा लगता है, इतनी बढ़िया चॉकलेट कमाल की थी बीच में. Very very good. So for me जो मिल जाए, पंजाबी जी कहते हैं संतान की स्वादा नाल, सने मलाई आन दे.
You're not going to get a straight answer.
But this is the honest truth. This is the honest truth. मुझे कुल्फी भी अच्छी लगती है, आइसक्रीम भी अच्छी लगती है, चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम भी अच्छी लगती है, जैकफ्रूट आइसक्रीम भी अच्छी लगती है. मतलब क्या मैं बोलूँ, मतलब मेरी प्रॉब्लम है. जलेबी, oh I love it. रबड़ी तो मतलब मैं कह रहा हूँ मेरी प्रॉब्लम है ये. अभी क्या मैं बोलूँ?
Actually, it's you have to redirect the question because जिन लोगों को dessert पसंद है, उसमें choice नहीं होता. You like everything.
Correct.
It's never like this over that. It's like it's
पहले कौन सा फिर बाद में कौन सा ऐसे होता है.
सब डालो उसके बाद
सिर्फ सवाल का जवाब क्यों दिया, ये क्यों?
Because you are the best one to find.
नहीं, आपके लिए आप बताओ।
My most favorite ever in the whole world is dark chocolate mousse. Oh no, sorry. She's not. Hello. She said, I thought you said me. I've been telling her, and I'm sure this is slightly off track. I've been telling her for the longest time, including when I met her in Spain, she should start acting in Bollywood. Hello, madam. In Bollywood and Hollywood. Does that give me?
I
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah,
And
see
then-
here. There you are. So, hello, Karan Chopra, are you there? So mine is dark chocolate, okay, in any form, mousse, anything, okay, but it has, yeah, anything. It has to be 90% and above. And I'm very clear that I absolutely love dark chocolate.
Basically, she does not like sweets.
I love sweets, hello?
90% वाले में तो कुछ नहीं है।
No, but
There's zero, कोई
No,
sweetness
no,
नहीं।
she loves dark chocolate, but she can eat anything.
yeah, I eat
Yes.
everything a bit tired. My doctor is very angry with me. Gosh, chef's croissants are to die for, especially pain au chocolat.
On the chocolate.
No, I've already said I like all the desserts. It's difficult for me to choose one. It's you are Dr. Destiny Chef. You have to tell us. That's actually his question. You know, the question is for him.
So, I'll say I like everything that is there, but whenever I'm going to one place, or if somebody is going to one place, so the next place, I will tell him, get this for me from there, get this from me. The girl is right there, the one there, she was going for a graduation. I said, वो आटे वाले बिस्किट लेके आना जल्दी से. So I eat, so that you can see from my size.
शेफ
who
आपको
eats
देख के
everything.
लगता तो नहीं है कि आप कुछ खाते हैं।
Thank you so much.
Any other questions? Any other things? Just say me a little bit, so we get to know you.
So good evening everyone, my name is Tejan. My question for today is for Chef Shikram. So as Lakshmi ma'am rightly mentioned that not only do you create simple desserts, you look and you always feel fabulous, and the inspiration behind your book has been healthy desserts. So not just in terms of cooking but in your daily life, what takes you to strike the balance between fitness and desserts, because you know they are sort of on the opposite end of the spectrum. So what moves you every day to go after your passion for desserts while being fit?
Okay, yeah, definitely. That's a nice question. Actually, I am, I think life for all of us as humankind is to strike a balance, right? And I am a believer of balance. So whenever I have more dessert, which I love desserts, and I just spend half an hour maybe extra in the gym to burn it, or just count calories and then kind of go on calorie deficit. So I do balance basically. The answer is I try to balance. I love it.
And also her book now is a complete sublime example of balance. It's nutritious and delicious.
Because life, I think, is to enjoy, right? Like you have to enjoy food. If you can't enjoy food, if you don't eat food, and if you eat boring food, then what's the point? So if you should enjoy life, not cut down on
I
food.
can answer for Shipra. I'm a aunt. She's my brother's daughter. She is a foodie. She had lunch with me. She had chenne bhature. Then she had royal faluda with me. She is real with lacha paratha. Then she's had a very nice burfi, a very nice army and all. She is a foodie. She eats, but she goes to gym and she takes care of that.
She
She really balances out the food.
Yeah, but she walks the dog. I mean, you can see.
Yeah, I know. She maintains also, but she